To everyone who celebrates Christmas, Merry Christmas to you and your loved ones. Ginifisela ukhisimusi omuhle. May this season bring peace, warmth, and togetherness into your home. In many Zulu homes, Christmas is more than just a date on the calendar. It is time of returning home, a time of family and a time of remembering who we are. Traditionally, December is when families gather after a long year of work. Children are returned from cities, elders are visited, homes become full again. In Zulu culture, this season reflects Ubuntu. Umuntu ngumuntu ngabantu. A person is a person because of others. Christmas is not only about gifts. It is about sharing food, slaughtering livestock where possible, and sitting together to eat as one family. It is also a time to honor our ancestors. Many families speak to them quietly, thanking them for protection throughout the year and asking for guidance for the year ahead. Respect for elders is renewed. Old stories are told. Laughter fills the homestead. For Christian families, Christmas celebrates the birth of Christ, while still holding tightly to cultural values of respect, unity, and gratitude. In this way, Christmas in Zulu homes become a meeting place between faith, culture, family, and tradition. This season reminds us that wealth is not measured by what we receive, but by who we gather around. UKhisimusi uyisikhathi sokubuyisana, sokwabelana, nokubonga. Christmas is a time to reconnect, to share, and to give thanks. From our home to yours. Sinifisela ukhisimusi omuhle nonyaka omusha onezibusiso nezinhlanhla.